Forget traditional banks. You can earn a highly competitive yield on your savings within your Fidelity brokerage account using money market funds. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Fidelity doesn't offer a traditional savings account. Instead, you buy money market mutual funds within your brokerage or cash management account. Funds like SPRXX or FCFXX currently offer yields that crush most high-yield savings accounts. Simply trade for them using their symbol with your available cash. The interest accrues daily and is paid out monthly. My crucial pro tip? Use a cash management account, CMA, as your hub. Open a Fidelity CMA. It automatically attempts to sweep cash into a money market fund, provides FDIC insurance on uninvested cash via program banks, and comes with check writing and a debit card. It's the ultimate high-yield checking/savings hybrid. Break up with your bank's pathetic interest rates for good. What yield are you currently earning on your emergency fund? For more guides on maximizing cash returns, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.